Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Varsha from Saraswati Coaching Classes, and in this session we are going to discuss something about the parts of seeds. Okay, for this activity you will need some soak seeds. For that I have taken these bean moths, you can see clearly. Okay, these are sprouted. All these three seeds which I have taken are easily available at your home. You can do it at your home, and you can also study it by your own self. These are the green gram seeds. These are also sprouted, and this one is the brown gram, or we can say it a Bengal gram as well. ठीक है, ये जो तीनों सीड्स थे मैंने 8 घंटे भिगो के रखे थे. I have soaked it for 8 hours, and after that I have removed the water and kept it aside for sprouting. Okay, this is about the material, and something this is you will need from the dissection box. I hope you will have dissection box for your study purpose. This is the pointed forceps. Okay, ये pointed forceps है, ये हमें peel remove करने के लिए लगेगा. ये है blunt forceps which will be useful for holding the beans. This is a dropper. ये हम ऑप्शनल है, यूज करें ना करें तो भी चलेगा. अगर आपको इंटरनल पार्ट्स क्लियरली विजिबल हो रहे हैं तो ठीक है, नहीं हो रहे तो यू हैव टू पोर सम ड्रॉप ऑफ आयोडीन सोल्यूशन. सो आयोडीन सोल्यूशन भी मैंने ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे ले रखा है. ठीक है, फिर हमें चाहिए एक शार्प ब्लेड जिसे हम कटर भी कहेंगे, और उससे हम अगर आपकी पील इजीली रिमूव नहीं हो रही है, पील ऑफ नहीं हो रहा है, तो इसको कट करने में काम आएगा. एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो टेकन वन वॉच ग्लास. व्हेन वी विल डिसेक्ट द सीड तो हमें एक एक पार्ट सेपरेट करके रखने के लिए इसकी हेल्प होगी. एंड आई हैव ऑल्सो टेकन वन एक्स्ट्रा पेट्री डिश, जो अगर हमें लगे तो हम यूज कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज इट इज एक्स्ट्रा. सो लेट्स बिगिन. बिफोर वी स्टार्ट आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू वन थिंग. जब भी हम कोई प्रैक्टिकल करते हैं तो जो हमारा प्रैक्टिकल मटेरियल होता है जिससे हमें हाथ नहीं लगाना है. सो फर्स्ट वी विल स्टार्ट विद दिस ग्रीन ग्राम. ओके, आई हैव टेकन दिस ग्रीन ग्राम. जस्ट पुट इट हियर. होल्ड इट विथ द ब्लंट एंड फोर्सेप. अगर आप देख सकते हो इसको, तो इसकी जो सीड कोट है वो रप्चर हो चुकी है. सो हम इसको आराम से निकाल सकते हैं. आप इसको आराम से निकाल सकते हो. लाइक दिस यू कैन रिमूव. इन दिस वे यू कैन ऑल्सो रिमूव द peel, or you can peel off this gram. Okay, make sure you are not touching your material. Just remove it very gently like this. Now see this. When we will remove the peel, it will look like this. I have removed the peel of this gram seeds also, and these moth beans also. Okay, now any one seed you can take in your hand and just press it very gently. A gentle slit will appear in between two cotyledons. Now what you have to do, you have to separate these two cotyledons from each other. Okay, आप इसको हल्के से धीरे से एकदम जेंटली एक दूसरे से अलग करो. ठीक है ना. नाउ व्हेन यू विल सेपरेट इट, इट विल लुक समथिंग लाइक दिस. वाओ, सी दिस वन. इफ यू विल सी इट very very carefully, then see here, these are the small leaves. Are you able to see this? These are the small leaves, means it has been developed from the plumule. It is developed from the plumule. ये बहुत ही अच्छे से डेवलप हो चुका है, तो हमें आयोडीन सोल्यूशन डालने की जरूरत बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. As it has been developed into two equal halves, so ultimately it indicates that it is a dicot seed. Dicot seed, दो cotyledon में convert हो चुका है ये. ठीक है. If you will keep it together, then you will come to know that these are two equal halves. Now ये जो पार्ट दिख रहा है आपको, ये वाला, this tip of the sprout which we say, this is nothing but the radicle. व्हाट इट इज द रेडिकल। आगे जाके ये रूट में डेवलप होने वाला है। एंड ये जो छोटे छोटे लीव्स लाइक स्ट्रक्चर विच यू आर गोना सी, दैट इज नथिंग बट द प्लूम्यूल। ओके, और ये डेवलप होने वाला है आपकी शूट में। जब ये जर्मिनेशन की प्रोसेस में रहते हैं तो ये जो कॉटिलेडॉन्स है दोनों की दोनों, दैट आर सर्व एज अ फूड फॉर डेवलपिंग seed, germinating seed. So this is nothing but the complete endosperm, which is nothing but the stored starch, which provide nourishment to this developing seed. Okay, when this seed will go for the germination, that time it will gives rise a new young green gram plant. Okay, here I have added 2 drops of iodine solution on this seed because these parts of the sprouts were not clearly visible. You can also do it. Now see, here in the very beginning where I have kept the point of needle, that is epicotyle, then the middle part is hypocotyle, just now where I have sprayed the solution, and this is the part of radical. Okay, this is a part of radical. Now you see, when I have poured the drops of iodine, it was quite yellow. Now it is turning blackish. Do you remember the taste of starch? We were testing it with the drops of iodine. As it has turned into the blackish color, it tells you it's a presence of starch over here, and this starch only acts as a source of food for the germinating seed. Okay, in this way today what we have discussed in this session, in this activity, in this demonstration, that the dicot seeds have 2 cotyledon, just like which I have explained you just before 2 minutes, and monocot seed have only 1 cotyledon, which we cannot divide it into 2. All the seeds you will observe very carefully, then you will come to know it can be easily split into 2. You can do it at home and you can study by your own how does it grow, how the parts, the like epicotyle, hypocotyle, radical and plumule has been grows. Okay, it is also given in your textbook. You can refer your textbook. Thank you.